Trap this bitch out to the fans, come run it up, huh? What she say? I'm talking, you lit her off cause she spoke on the business. Can't swap a dime for a penny, you know that's a stupid decision.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna Simone. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, okay? Join the family. We're on the road to 4K. So today I'm bringing y'all, as y'all can see from the title, a Missguided haul. Got me a lot of pieces, okay? And I have one piece from Fashion Nova that I thought I'd show y'all as well. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Let's open it up. Okay, so we're gonna try on this first. So this is called the Petite Notch Front Sleeveless Crop Top in a US 0, UK 4. Ooh, it's so bright. Is that the true color? Yeah. It's like this baby blue rib. This is really cute. Let's try it on. Okay, so this is the first top, as I said. This is so cute. It has this little round neck. It just says Missguided lightly across the front in white letters. It's like a raw cut hem, which is really nice. The back. Honestly, I would wear this really casual. So as you can see, I just got some little Yeezy slides on with it, some shorts. This is just a casual summer top and I really like it. And it's thick and you don't have to wear a bra with it. Like, it's very fitted. So, I mean, you can wear a bra if you want, but you know, over the summer you just want to be free. So I really like this.
I need someone stronger to hold on to get through. And I stay by your side, girl, you know I'm alright.
Okay, so next, this is the next piece. This is called the Rib Racer Front Crop. It's just a simple shirt. You can't go wrong with simple tops like this. I feel like I have them in so many different colors, white, gray, you know, the basics. And this is also in a US 0. It looks like it's gonna fit, as you can tell. It's really racer back in the front and the back. And let's see how this looks. Okay, so this next piece, definitely a favorite. This is really just casual, cute. This is how the back looks. It just has that same racer back detailing I was talking about. Now this you could wear dressed up, dressed down. I honestly would probably wear like some sweat shorts that I have on now. And some little sneakers just for a casual fit. You can also throw some shades on, however you feeling. Okay. It's just really durable, basic, and I like this.
Look. Huh.
Okay, so I feel like you kind of always need basic tops, so I made sure to get, why the camera look like that? So I made sure to get some pieces that I can just throw on, you know, when you don't really want to be doing too much, but you just want to look casual. Come on. So this next piece is called the Rib Sleeveless Crop Top Missguided. Well, Missguided. In a size US 0. And this is how this looks. It's like this. Is that really the true color? Yeah, so it's like this kind of muted green, yellow. Yeah, I don't really know, but I feel like this will look good on my skin tone and a lot of other people's skin tones. So this is really cute. Let's try this on. Boom. Okay, Missguided right across the chest. Again, this is just another simple top. I love this. As you can see, I got a little makeup on it. This is a really cute top, very basic. I would wear this with, I have some camo shorts on, if I can show y'all. And you could just throw this on, say you're going to the mall real quick. You could go to the grocery store in this. Again, with the slides, you know, these are my favorites. Back is not really racer back, but all these tops are very fitted, so you really don't need to wear a bra. Definitely true to size. I really haven't ordered from Missguided that much, but just follow the size chart, okay? It's gonna be accurate and save your life.
You say that you know money, the songs that I sing.
So the next piece is this dress. This is called, I don't know because I ain't opened it yet. Okay, so this is how this looks. I feel like tie-dye lately has been really in, and I just wanted something that's simple. It kind of looks big, but I hope it's fitted. We're gonna see. But this is called the tie-dye rib LS crew neck mini dress, multi, and it's in a size 0. So basically I think everything I got is in a size 0, but it's a very good material. It's kind of stretchy, so this should fit okay. So let's go. It's really cute tie-dye little mini dress. Now it is a little tight in the arms. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of like, you know, it probably should be like up here, but it's a little out here. But you could definitely size up in this dress. The sleeves are definitely tight, but they are long enough, which is good. I don't have a bra on. It's really not that see-through. I feel like if you wear it to be safe, you should probably wear some new underwear or no underwear, you know, however you roll. But this is the back. I really like the rib detailing on this. It's very it just makes pieces look very expensive to me when they're ribbed and fitted. And yeah, real cute.
Come and catch his vibe. Cozy for the night, smoky for the night, OG roll it tight. I know what you like, I know what you like. She ain't got no type. Okay,
so next we're gonna stay on the trend with these dresses. So this is called the ribbed pipe Midaxi dress, and again a US size 0. This is how this one looks. It's definitely gonna be a midi, and I feel like these are like the best type of dresses to throw on when you just don't know what to wear. But it's simple. It has this white piping detail down the middle. Again, this ribbed fabric, as you can tell, and down by my nails. But yeah, so let's slip her on right now. Okay, so this one is definitely my favorite. Look at this. It's definitely giving the girl's body. Okay, this is a dress that y'all need to get. If y'all don't get anything else from this haul, make sure y'all get this dress. It literally is 10 out of 10, okay? It stops like right below the knees. It fits very well. This pipe detailing, I just knew that was gonna just add to the dress. The back is just straight across. Nothing special on the back, but I need someone to go in this because this is really cute. Love the thin straps, and like it's very like it's loose, so it's not like it's tugging on your chest or anything like that, but it fits like the way you would want your dress to fit.
You don't know about me, I've noticed, but you don't know about me, I know.
Okay, so next we have this 2-piece set. They have, are these like fitted? Yeah, these are like fitted biker shorts. They have the little Missguided logo right there on the left side. They also have the matching shirt, which looks like this, just an oversized tee, real boxy. And I really like stuff like this because you don't have to think about it. You just, okay, you ready to go. And I don't think I said what this is called, but this is called the Petite oversized t-shirt cycling short set, and the color is sand. And again, these are both in a US 0. Okay, so this is giving airport vibes, gas station vibes, grocery store, you know, just running out real quick. I really like how oversized this shirt is. It goes, honestly, it's almost as long as the biker shorts. It's still oversized. The leggings do match. It does give you a little weird crotch situation, but other than that, they're very fitted. They look good on the booty. And with the simple detailing right here, I just love simplistic nude pieces that just look effortless. And again, it does have the Missguided logo right here, and it's just very fitted. I was honestly surprised. I was gonna get a size 2 in this, but now that I see the crotch situation, I'm glad I didn't even do that. But I really like this. It's very comfortable, smooth cotton, and this is definitely a staple piece in your wardrobe. Ma, the water?
She just got a vibe, Henny with the ice, muddy up the Sprite, right? Baby, live your life right. Baby, treat me nice.
Okay, y'all, so this next piece, another 2-piece set. This is called the Cord Ribbed T-shirt cycle short set, again in a size 0. And Ooh, I like the way this feels. This oversized, again, boxy t-shirt. And I have the matching bicycle shorts. The matching bicycle shorts as well. So let's try this on. This one, I feel like it looks really good on my skin tone. I don't usually wear purple. I don't really feel like purple is my color. But I actually really like this with the matching biker shorts. The back is just simple. Now these biker shorts fit tight. So I don't know, you actually can't order them in 2 different sizes, like they're sold together. But just know your legs are not gonna be able to breathe in these. But I think I like the way these fit better than the other ones. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think. As this high neck, it's kind of like a little, I don't know what you call these type of necks. It has these boxy sleeves, and these go down to like your elbows, honestly, which is real cute, free, airy.
You don't know my name, you don't know my name.
They still ain't saying that. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come. Run it up. Huh? You listen, just cut her off cause she spoke on the business. Can't swap a dime for a penny. You know that's a stupid decision.
Okay, y'all, so this is the bikini. Fire, okay? Fire. This is like giving me money, coin, pennies, dimes, whatever. This is definitely saying on the beach, you know, chilling with a little drink in my hand. This is everything. It's this bronze bikini. I'm just so glad. If you get this, size up, okay? It's really itsy bitsy like it says. They're not lying to y'all. I'm not gonna even turn around because the bottom is just cheeks, okay? But it's hot to top. You know, you can tighten it or loosen it to your liking, as well as the string bikini bottoms. And I just love this. This is probably my favorite item, and I just think it looks so good on chocolate skin in the sun. I'm sure y'all agree. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this. And the last piece I got, this is actually from Fashion Nova. We're gonna end it off with this piece. I think everybody named Mama has this, but I just had to get it. It's called the Soothe off-shoulder jumpsuit charcoal extra small. And this is how this looks. It has the off-the-shoulder sleeves. This is gonna be cute. This is, again, a throw-on piece, airport fit. So let's try it on. Fashion Nova always gonna come through with a casual fit, okay? Again, body. And this is how the back looks. It's just straight across in the back, and it has this band detailing right here. The sleeves are long enough. I honestly I've seen people try this on, and the sleeves are like really loose, and I like the way this fits. It actually fits me exactly how I'd like it to. I probably pair this with some, you know what, I'm gonna show you what I pair this with. So these are the shoes. Boom. Some Cortezes with them. Just real casual. You add the bag, however you feel. I just really like this. It's very stretchy, like I said.
My vision is vivid. My image is different. I move with the quickness. I said it, I meant it. Them hundreds and fifties, it got me addicted.
Alright, you guys, so that wraps up the end of this video. Honestly, I loved every piece. Missguided pieces are definitely true to size, so make sure you just read the size chart and then you'll just be set. They're very affordable pieces. I'll definitely be ordering from them again soon. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, make sure I give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be coming back to y'all with new videos very soon. So thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.